Wars and the End. In Matthew in verse 24 and verse 6 we can read, "You will hear of wars and rumors of wars, but do not be afraid. It is necessary for such things to happen, but it is not the end yet." We always see wars, and many people define war as the point at which the end occurs. The end mentioned here in the verse is when God determines that evil man will no longer have dominion over the planet. Many suffer in war, and especially those who are among the powerful, who are fighting. These are the ones who are in despair, wanting to live. These cry out for a solution, but the end will not come by looking at wars. So what are the real signs of the end? In Matthew in verse 24 and in verse 14, we can read, "And this gospel of the kingdom will be preached throughout the world as a testimony to all nations, and then the end will come." This verse refers to the fact that there is salvation, and that God is observing everything that is being done. In Matthew verse 24 verse 12, we can read, "And because iniquity abounds, the love of many will grow cold." This means that injustice is so widespread that love is not considered necessary. For example, if a country attacks another country and destroys hospitals, and is condemned, and another does the same thing and is not condemned, this teaches that justice is not done by rules, but by the dominant power. If a country destroys 2 entire cities with atomic bombs, and is considered a symbol of justice, then justice does not lie in what is actually fair, but in who dominates economically and militarily.